Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm a fanatic of Toyota Corollas, in case you didn't notice. The most boring A to B car that they ever made. Anyway, so let's get that out of the way. If you're new to the channel, you're not going to recognize this. If you're a long-time member, you may remember this Corolla. This is the one we picked up, a year ago? Year and a half ago? Something like that. It had low miles for, I don't know, for one of these cars anyway. It was super low. Yeah, 130,000 miles, which if you're like, that's a lot of miles. For me, no, this is the lowest mile one I've ever seen in person. Usually around here they have like 250,000 in rust all in the rockers, which this one's got some surface rust going on right here. Mine is cherry for the most part, except the roof. The roof is starting to get rusty and crack up on mine, but this one, rust in the passenger side rocker all the way down. It looks solid up there, but it's not much better. Control arms and everything though are doing good in the back, which is another bad spot for these, but they're good. Anyway, 130,000 miles. Had a knock-in motor. The girl drove the snot out of it on the interstate. This one has the 3-speed automatic, and if you have one of these Corollas, you know that they kind of use a little bit of oil. They all do. Every one of them I've ever had uses a little bit of oil, and I guess she just didn't keep a check on it, and it blew up. Now this thing has stickers on it from a college that is far away and a beach that is far away. So you're talking, you know, hours and hours of driving on the interstate, and if she actually drove this to get down there, holy shit, no wonder it died. That door was not like that though. It had a nice pretty green door on it when I got it. Jesse got mad after he put the engine in it, because I wasn't there the day he dropped the engine in the car. I did go to finish up wiring it up and stuff to try to get it to run, which he couldn't do. Look. They're flying south for the winter. That is so cool. Look at that formation. Anyway, Jesse couldn't get it running one day and got mad because he has a temper that's retarded. And he beat the snot out of the door and broke the mirror off, just because he kind of rages, and instead of problem solving and stuff like that, he just takes his frustration out on the thing, which, you know, isn't healthy, but it's whatever. In the long run, I fixed the car with some fuses and a new fuel pump, and then it ran freaking sweet. So, I mean, a little bit of problem solving goes a long way. But anyway, this door, as you can see, is ruined. But we have another door right here that we had saved off another car that should not have to be going on this car, because this door was fine. But now it's going to have to go on this car. Also, this car has been painted. I know, 130,000 miles. What are you talking about, Jay? It should be in a lot better shape than that. That's the original color, and now it's like a green. It was this aqua teal color. Really pretty on these Corollas. You don't see many of them in that color. And now it's a interesting shade of woodland brown. Not brown, woodland green. But I don't think it's a bad color on it. It looks alright with the white BMW bottle caps that I put, well, one white one and one silver one that I put on there. But we're going to paint this door. I don't know how to paint match that, and I'm not even going to try because that's an aftermarket color. So rather than screwing it up and having a door that really stands out off shade of green, we're going to intentionally make it stand out with an off shade of black and different color paint. So I'm going to show you what I got in mind. We're going to start off, it's primered down, it's as good as it's going to get. You know, this is a cheapo $100 car, so we're not going to pull out all the stops here. I'm just going to hit it with some black paint real quick, and we'll move on from there, and I'll show you what I've got in mind. Go ahead. So as you can hear, it's kind of loud, so we're going to fix that next. Also, the screwed up door is still on it. Here's our new door. It's painted with splatter colors, because why the hell not? $100 Toyota. Back up. So cheap and dirty on the exhaust. Tim's got ran by the parts store. Got hangers and some flex pipe to go where the catalytic converter was. And that's...
How are y'all doing, you two? How are y'all doing? We're doing great over here in the hot sun.
In the hot sun, because we're dying. This is gonna be hot, 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 hot. Woo-hoo. Take that flex pipe off the front for me.
I'll just put it on there so I can see if it'll get fit.
Oh yeah, I know. I just didn't want to slide it on the ground and ruin it. Get it all twisted up. And you're gonna want to get these hangers off. I'd get a flathead, shove behind it and twist them off. And then we'll have to do the same for whatever's on the car. And then I get a board. And right there is our exhaust coming. That's pretty much where the manifold leads down. Right here is our pipe. We got to put those two guys together. And yeah, hang it up. So let's get to it.
Bottom, that's something to...
So we changed plans. Now we're gonna weld it up because the flex pipe wasn't quite long enough and there's a hanger in the way up there. So we're just gonna make it easy on ourselves and weld this thing together. So let's get started. And we have put it all back together. Look how much better it looks. She got her door, her out of this world door. It really kind of stands out, and that's like most of the point. Got the door panel back in there, everything bolted up, and made sure we changed out the lock cylinders so that we could lock the door with the same key that works the switch. And the exhaust is a little quieter. It's not perfect, but it is a little quieter. So.
Hello?
So my welds aren't the greatest right here at the floor. But I think it'll be alright for now. Yeah. And it got a bath. First bath since we've owned it, actually. This hood's still...
Now we got $115 in.
Yeah. That hood's still kind of messed up. I don't know what we're going to do with the hood yet. But while I'm thinking about it, we're going to pop this rear trim piece off in the center right here and hit that with some paint and get it looking purty again. So that door is just still something else. Awesome. All right, let's get on it.